In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to purchase USDT using PayPal on Binance. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process, ensuring you can navigate the platform with ease. Let's begin by accessing your Binance account. Head over to the Binance website and log in with your credentials. Once logged in, direct your attention to your account dashboard. This is where you'll manage your transactions. From the dashboard, locate the wallet icon on the upper section of the screen. Hover over it with your mouse, and you'll see a drop-down menu presenting several options. Click on Funding, which will bring you to the wallet overview. Here, you can manage your funds and see an overview of your balances. Next, click on Deposit. This will prepare your account for incoming funds. Now, look for the P2P trading option and click it. This action will redirect you to the P2P marketplace page. It's crucial to remember that this is where peer-to-peer trades happen, allowing you to buy USDT with various payment methods. In the P2P marketplace, you'll see a drop-down arrow next to the All Payment Methods option. Click on it and enter PayPal in the search bar. Unfortunately, you might notice that PayPal isn't listed as a direct payment method for purchasing cryptocurrency on Binance at this time. Don't worry, we have a workaround for this. To use PayPal indirectly, you'll need to transfer money from your PayPal account to your bank account first. Once the transfer is complete, come back to Binance and in the payment methods, click on Bank Transfer. This method allows you to convert your PayPal funds into usable cash within your bank, which can then be used on Binance. Now, you can purchase any coin you desire, but in this guide, our focus is on USDT. Click on the coin you're interested in this case, USDT, and enter the amount you wish to buy. After deciding on the amount, click on Set My Payment Method and choose Bank Transfer as your preferred method. Click Buy USDT and follow the on-screen instructions. An informational message will appear detailing the payment process. Once you understand the instructions, click Got It to continue, and that's it. You've successfully bought USDT indirectly using PayPal via a bank transfer on Binance. Hopefully, this guide was helpful and clear. Whether you're new to Binance or just needed a refresher, you're now equipped to purchase USDT with confidence. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more such tutorials.